Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Kamada's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Kamada has reported strong financial results this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Thank you. Kamada is a global biopharmaceutical company specializing in plasma-derived therapies for rare and serious conditions. In their Q1 2025 report, they announced a 17% year-over-year increase in revenues, reaching $44 million, and a 54% increase in Adjusted EBITDA, which stands at $11.6 million. These results underscore their strong operational performance and strategic growth initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kamada reported a net revenue of $44 million for the first quarter of 2025, which is a 17% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this revenue growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased sales of their proprietary products like Glacia and Camrab in international markets, as well as sales of Varazig and royalty income from Glacia. This diverse portfolio has allowed Kamada to capitalize on market opportunities effectively.
And what about profitability? How has Kamada managed to increase its Adjusted EBITDA by 54%?
The significant increase in Adjusted EBITDA to $11.6 million is attributed to improved product sales mix and disciplined management of operational expenses. Their gross profit and margins have also improved, indicating efficient cost management and strategic pricing.
Strategic initiatives and growth prospects. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Kamada has been expanding its plasma collection operations. Can you tell us more about this expansion and its expected impact?
Absolutely. Kamada has opened a new plasma collection center in San Antonio, Texas, which is expected to contribute $8 million to $10 million in annual revenues once fully operational. This expansion is part of their strategy to support revenue growth through the sale of normal source plasma.
They've also launched a post-marketing research program for Cytogam. What are the objectives of this program?
The Cytogam research program aims to generate data supporting its benefits in managing cytomegalovirus, CMV, in organ transplants. This initiative is expected to enhance product utilization and support Kamada's growth in the biopharmaceutical market.
And what about their financial guidance for 2025?
Kamada has reiterated its full-year 2025 guidance, expecting revenues between $178 million and $182 million, and Adjusted EBITDA between $38 million and $42 million. This reflects their confidence in achieving double-digit profitable growth year over year.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Kamada reported an EPS of 0 cents for the first quarter, which aligns with the forecast by analysts. How significant is this alignment, John?
This alignment with analyst expectations is crucial as it reflects Kamada's ability to meet market forecasts, which can bolster investor confidence. The EPS of 0.7, up from 4 cents last year, also highlights their improved profitability and operational efficiency.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Kamada's operational efficiencies. How have they managed their expenses, and what does their cash position look like?
Kamada's operating expenses were $13 million, showing a marginal increase from last year, which indicates effective cost management. Their net income rose to $4 million, and they maintain a strong cash position with $76.3 million in cash and equivalents, providing a solid foundation for future growth.
What can we expect from Kamada moving forward?
Looking ahead, Kamada is well-positioned to continue its growth trajectory. Their strategic focus on expanding plasma collection, advancing clinical trials, and exploring M&A opportunities will likely drive further success. Their strong financial position supports these initiatives, making them a promising investment prospect.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kamada has delivered a robust performance in the first quarter of 2025 with significant revenue and profitability growth. Their strategic initiatives and strong financial position suggest a positive outlook. Key takeaways include $44 million in revenue, $11.6 million in Adjusted EBITDA, and an EPS of 0.07 cents. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Kamada's performance is indeed impressive, and their strategic direction is promising for investors.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kamada's performance in the comments below. Until next time.